Hey everybody, it's Caroline Griffin and I'm reviewing the nurse-led diabetic retinopathy screening. This study is a quantitative pilot study looking at the cardiometabolic comorbidities, blood pressure, BMI, and hemoglobin A1C with type 2 diabetes and the use of a portable fundus camera in detecting retinopathy. The population is a Canadian Aboriginal adults and they are living with type 2 diabetes and have not been diagnosed with the vision comorbidities in the past. The findings are bulleted here. It looks at the obesity, overweight level, hemoglobin A1C levels, and pre and hypertensive levels. There is a fairly large percentage of these participants who have these comorbidities. Overall, 83.3% of the participants had retinopathy, and they were almost equally identified by ophthalmologists and nurses. The strength of the study is the inter-rater reliability of kappa 0.67 for vision screening, and also the fact that the trends were confirmed regarding cardiometabolic comorbidities and outcomes as pointed here in the bullets. Weaknesses, small sample size, high rate of retinopathy in the Aboriginal people, and may not be transferable to the general public. Thank you for listening.